The BMW B48 has earned a reputation as one of BMW's best modern four-cylinder engines. You'll find it powering everything from the 330i and 530i to the X3, X1, Mini Cooper S, and even the Toyota Supra's smaller sibling in some markets. On paper, it's exactly what buyers want: strong performance, impressive fuel economy, and modern turbocharged technology. But there's one question that continues to appear across BMW forums, mechanic shops, and used car listings. What happens after 100,000 miles? Is the B48 still as reliable as people claim, or do expensive problems finally begin to appear? If you're thinking about buying a high-mileage BMW with the B48 engine, or you've recently crossed that 6-digit mileage mark, this video might save you thousands of dollars, because today we're looking at the real truth about the BMW B48 after 100,000 miles. When BMW launched the B48 in 2014, it wasn't just replacing the N20. It was correcting many of the mistakes that damaged the N20's reputation. Engineers redesigned the engine from the ground up using BMW's new modular engine family. The cooling system became more efficient, internal components were strengthened, combustion improved, and overall durability increased. Almost immediately, owners and mechanics noticed the difference. Compared to the N20, catastrophic timing chain failures became far less common, reliability improved significantly, and the B48 quickly became one of the most recommended four-cylinder BMW engines ever built. But no engine lasts forever. And once these vehicles started reaching 100,000 miles, certain wear patterns began showing up consistently. One of the first things mechanics usually inspect on a high-mileage B48 isn't the turbocharger or the pistons. It's the cooling system. Modern BMW engines rely heavily on plastic coolant components to reduce weight and improve efficiency. While that works well during the first several years of ownership, constant heating and cooling eventually weakens plastic fittings, hose connectors, and expansion tanks. Tiny coolant leaks often begin appearing long before owners notice any warning lights. In many cases, coolant simply evaporates after dripping onto hot engine components, meaning you won't even see a puddle under the car. Instead, you might notice a faint sweet smell after parking or discover that the coolant reservoir slowly drops over several months. It's one of the most common signs of a high-mileage B48, and thankfully, when caught early, it's usually far cheaper to repair than the engine damage caused by ignoring it. The next area worth paying attention to is the oil filter housing and valve cover. Like many modern BMW engines, rubber seals eventually become hard after years of exposure to engine heat. Small oil leaks begin developing around these areas, and while they usually aren't catastrophic, they shouldn't be ignored. Oil dripping onto surrounding components can create burning smells, messy engine bays, and even damage nearby rubber belts over time. The good news is that these are considered normal wear items rather than signs of poor engine design. Nearly every high-mileage turbocharged engine eventually requires new gaskets. Then there's the turbocharger itself. Surprisingly, the B48's turbo has proven to be remarkably durable. Unlike older turbocharged engines that often suffered premature turbo failures, many original B48 turbochargers are still operating perfectly beyond 100,000 miles. That doesn't mean they're maintenance-free. Dirty oil, extended oil change intervals, and repeated hard driving immediately after cold starts can shorten turbo life significantly. Owners who follow shorter oil change intervals around every 5,000 to 7,000 miles instead of waiting for the longest factory recommendations generally report far fewer turbo-related issues. Clean oil is one of the cheapest forms of insurance you can buy for a turbocharged engine. Carbon buildup is another topic that deserves attention. Like almost every direct injection engine on the market today, the B48 eventually develops carbon deposits on its intake valves because fuel no longer washes over them. This process happens gradually and often goes unnoticed until drivers begin experiencing rough idle, slightly reduced performance, or slower throttle response. Fortunately, carbon buildup is considered routine maintenance rather than a design flaw. A professional walnut blasting service can restore performance, and many owners don't even require it until well past 100,000 miles, depending on driving habits. One concern buyers often have is timing chain reliability. That's understandable because the N20's timing chain problems became infamous throughout the automotive community. Fortunately, the B48 tells a very different story. While no timing chain lasts forever, widespread premature timing chain failures simply haven't become a defining characteristic of the B48. Mechanics still inspect chain condition during routine maintenance on higher mileage vehicles, but compared to the engine it replaced, the improvement is dramatic. That's one of the biggest reasons many BMW technicians confidently recommend the B48 over the older N20. Transmission performance also deserves mentioning because many B48-powered BMWs are paired with ZF's excellent 8-speed automatic transmission. When serviced properly, this combination delivers smooth shifts even after crossing the 100,000-mile mark. Unfortunately, many owners mistakenly believe the transmission fluid is lifetime fluid. While that's BMW's official marketing language in many cases, experienced technicians strongly recommend changing the fluid and filter somewhere between 60,000 and 80,000 miles. Waiting until problems appear often means paying far more than routine preventative maintenance would have cost. Another factor that separates reliable B48 engines from troublesome ones isn't engineering, it's maintenance habits. Owners who ignore coolant level changes, delay oil changes, or continue driving with small leaks often experience much higher repair costs later. On the other hand, drivers who inspect the engine periodically, replace worn seals before they become major leaks, and service the cooling system proactively usually report excellent reliability well beyond 100,000 miles. In other words, the B48 rewards preventative maintenance more than reactive repairs. If you're shopping for a used BMW with the B48, don't focus only on mileage. A well-maintained B48 with 120,000 miles can easily be a safer purchase than a neglected example with only 60,000 miles. Ask for documented oil changes, cooling system repairs, transmission servicing, and regular maintenance records. Listen carefully during cold starts. Inspect the coolant reservoir for proper level, and check around the valve cover and oil filter housing for fresh oil residue. These simple checks reveal far more about the engine's condition than the odometer ever will. So, what's the final verdict after 100,000 miles? The BMW B48 isn't perfect, but it's one of the most reliable modern turbocharged 4-cylinder engines BMW has ever produced. Most of the issues owners experience after 6 figures on the odometer are related to normal wear items like gaskets, cooling system components, and routine maintenance rather than catastrophic internal failures. That's a huge difference compared to some earlier BMW engines that became known for major design weaknesses. If maintained correctly, the B48 has already proven it can comfortably exceed 150,000 miles and, in many cases, continue well beyond 200,000 miles. At the end of the day, the biggest mistake people make isn't buying a BMW with the B48 engine. The biggest mistake is believing that because the engine has an excellent reputation, maintenance no longer matters. Reliability doesn't mean immunity. Every engine eventually wears, every cooling system ages, and every gasket becomes brittle over time. The owners who enjoy the B48 the longest are the ones who treat small problems like early warnings instead of waiting for warning lights to appear. If you do that, the B48 will likely reward you with years of smooth performance, strong fuel economy, and one of the best driving experiences in the modern 4-cylinder luxury segment.